Hi, it's Charlie from Yorkshire Pergolas. It's the 5th of July and it's 7:30 at night. This is how much we love you lot, because we're still here building our exhibition. 2 stands this year, so even bigger, for next week's Great Yorkshire Show, which is on the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'll be here. We've got a lot of surprises for you this year. Really excited, but really tired and unshaven. But yeah, we've got 2 stands, some exciting products, and everything that's here on display is actually for sale as well. So you might grab yourself a bargain. But we've got our outdoor planters. We've got a range of absolutely amazing fire pit strokes grill things. Sorry, I'm really tired, but yeah, come along, have a look at what we've got. You'll be super impressed. I mean, we're working, and the guys, not so much me, but the guys are working so hard to make this look amazing. So we've got 2 stands and we're opposite the big wheel, so you won't be able to miss us. And our other stand is just a little way down there. Can you see down there? So that's our second stand. The lads are just having a cup of tea or whatever, can of Coke, beer, something. Yeah, so we'll see you soon. Get in touch if you want any more information. It's a bit messy around here, but it'll be perfect when you come and have a look. So see you soon. If you want any more information, just give us a buzz on the website. Phone number's on there. Send us an email, send us some pictures, or just call us. Thanks, bye.